High in the Cordilleras, where the air is cool and the earth is rich, the land gives quietly. Benguet potatoes, Pangasinan leeks, grown with patience and care. From these simple ingredients, a classic is reborn. Potage Bon Femme, the good woman's soup, smooth, comforting, and full of heart. But this version carries a bold twist. Flame-seared unagi from Pampanga brings depth and character, blending French technique with Filipino soul. Butter, cream, yellow onion, and thyme form its base. Each spoonful rich, warm, and layered with flavor, topped with a biscotti flour crisp, red vein sorrel, and micro herbs. Tahimik na Kabundukan is both humble and refined, a quiet tribute to our mountains and to the beauty found in simplicity, done exceptionally well.